The University City Historical Society is pleased to present our annual awards. We're pleased to share this video presentation of all award winners to document the careful work our neighbors undertake at their properties, with addresses and contractors listed for reference. Every year, UCHS honors those neighbors who contribute to the preservation of the historic fabric of our incredible West Philadelphia neighborhoods. We continue to be awed by the passion and dedication of today's stewards of our architectural inheritance. Being a steward of a historic building in West Philadelphia is not without challenge. However, the work is worth the effort. Please join us in celebrating the achievement of this year's award recipients.
The Gift to the Street Awards are given to property owners who implement high-quality exterior improvements to their properties, such as exterior painting, landscaping, windows, porch, and carpentry work. These gifts to the neighborhood provide visual improvements to our streetscape for the enjoyment of all who pass by.
There is no place like West Philadelphia. This award is given to a placemaking project, installation, or property that celebrates the unique, vibrant, and funky culture of our West Philadelphia neighborhood. Examples include murals, art installations, vibrant paint schemes, or even your neighbor's friendly fairy garden. Outstanding preservation awards are given to owners who have completed full architecturally appropriate exterior restorations of their property. These are for the owners who have gone above and beyond to preserve or restore architectural features of their property. The results are visually stunning and worthy of recognition.
The Michael Hardy Preservation Initiative Award is given to someone who has acted unselfishly toward the preservation of a building or historic neighborhood resource in West Philadelphia. This award is named in honor of Mike Hardy, who dedicated his life to the betterment of West Philadelphia through decades of community service and activism.
This year, we honor Joe Beckton for his legacy of storytelling and preservation of West Philadelphia history. Congratulations, Joe. UCHS honors the memory of Barry Grossback, who passed away last December. He dedicated his life to preservation in Spruce Hill and the city in general. Barry will be greatly missed.